Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful okpa. If you want to learn how I made this, please keep watching. This food takes just a few ingredients to make, and here they are. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to make this food is of course your Bambara nuts, ground and processed. Next, you need your palm oil. You need to choose good oil so that your okpa will be tasty and nice. If not, it will spoil the okpa. This oil is from my village. You need some scotch bonnet, depending on how spicy you want your food to be. And the last, you need your salt to taste. Well, not so last, because I added my own twist. You see, I used some red bell peppers to cook my okpa. I love the tint it gives my okpa. It's usually very nice. I removed all the seeds from the red bell peppers as they can make food bitter, and I've washed them thoroughly, and now we proceed to blending the two peppers together. I added just a little water for easy moving of the blades of the blender. It's time to mix our okpa, and I'm using this deep bowl to mix it. First, you need to add your palm oil into the bowl. Add just enough to make this okpa red. Don't add too much so that oil will not be dripping all over the place. Just add enough, but don't add too little that you will not even see oil in your okpa. Add some hot water. You need hot water to mix your okpa. Add your salt to taste. I said you need hot water to mix your okpa, because if you don't use hot water, the okpa will be lumpy. You will just see lumps everywhere. If you finish cooking the okpa, it will not be nice. Give it a thorough stir. Now you have to wash your hands and start mixing in the okpa flour into the already prepared mixture. What you basically do here is to try to dissolve any lump you can feel in between the palms of your hand and in between your fingertips. Try to dissolve any lumps you can see. Mix it into the mixture very well. Ensure everything is properly mixed, just the way that I am doing. Add the okpa flour bit by bit. Now, if you need to add more okpa flour into your mixture, then you have to add extra hot water before adding your okpa flour, and make sure you're still doing the same mixing and pressing it against your palms and then your fingers. Ensure everything is properly mixed in. You have to do this for like 10 minutes if you want to really get that smooth paste that will feel nice when you're finally enjoying your okpa. If you're with me to this point, it means you're enjoying what I'm doing. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video if you like it, comment and then share. Thank you. So when I finally achieved the smooth paste that I liked, I added the blended pepper mix, stirred it for a while, then I added water. This one now here is cool water. It's no longer hot water, it's just a cool I tuck the tied part of the nylon into the nylon, just the way that I'm doing, and I scoop my mixture, the okpa, into it. I then grab a string and tie the mouth of the nylon, making sure that I give no space in between the okpa and the nylon. I do same for all other ones that I'm going to tie. This one, I decided to tie it in a different way. For the last batch of the okpa, some sand can collect under the bowl, so I use a string to tie on it to enable me differentiate the last one in case if it has sand. My water has been boiling, so I simply throw in the okpa into the boiling water and cover. And then 45 minutes later, our okpa is done. Our okpa is ready and it looks fantastic and it tastes so delicious. Many people used to pair it with Coke, but I'm going to be downing mine with tiger nut drink, and it is a match made in heaven. Enjoy. Bye.